Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a creamy banana oatmeal bowl, which takes 5 ingredients: some steel cut oats, cinnamon, some sliced bananas, raisins, and ground flaxseed. And you can find the recipe for this oatmeal bowl on my website, Beantown Kitchen, and I'll provide the link to it below this video. So the first thing that you want to do is bring some water to a boil, a rolling boil, and then add some steel cut oats, and then give them a stir. Put the top onto the pot, turn the water down to a simmer, and cook for 20 minutes or until you reach the desired consistency, at which point you can add the ground flaxseed, the cinnamon, the sliced bananas, and the raisins, and give that a stir. And it is just delicious as is and really affordable at about 43 cents per serving. They're really good for you. I eat oats every day for breakfast, and they're dose responsive. The more you eat them, the better they are for you. The oatmeal is also very rich in protein and calcium and iron and relatively low in calories, and it's rich in dietary fiber and has no cholesterol at all, as plant foods simply do not contain any cholesterol. You can also add some toppings and some mix-ins to this oatmeal bowl, so things like cocoa powder, coconut flakes, some nuts like pecans and walnuts, or dried fruit like dates, apricots, or some fresh fruit like diced mangoes, some raspberries, some blueberries, and you can put together an oatmeal bowl like this. So thank you so much for watching the video. A plant-based diet is great for the planet, it's great for the animals, and great for you. Lots of love to you.